everyone, Jonathan Walter here, Jackie Cooper, Porsche in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I want to talk to you guys about one of our frequently asked questions in service and in sales, and that is brake squeaking. Whether you have a 911, a Cayman, a Cayenne, or a Mikado, or a Panamera, sometimes your brakes are going to squeak, and that's perfectly normal. Now, one of the greatest things about it is it's because you have high-performance sport brakes on your vehicle. A simple fix, you just have to deglaze the brake. So essentially you drive the brakes hard. So get on the brake, go from 70 miles an hour down to 20 extremely quickly, slam on the brakes at a stoplight, whatever that is, and will help deglaze the brakes and cause them to stop squeaking. We're going to demonstrate this here in this video. Please let us know if you have any questions and come in today, test drive a new Porsche. Again, this is Jonathan Walter. Have a great day.